Well, there are many mature technologies where we are making from them a lot of profit. For example, artificial vision for quality inspection, the use of data with more advanced systems, advanced analytics, artificial intelligence. We are, for example, creating a digital twin of the factory in which we are integrating all the data from different systems in order to have a digital twin which integrates people, processes, and products. And this is something in which there is a lot of work, because before you start introducing advanced technologies, you have to break a lot of silos. You have to integrate the data, you have to clear to make data good, and then you can go to the next step, which is using the data, the next step, which is extracting information, extracting and introducing the know-how of the people. So the great value we have in the companies is the asset, data and knowledge of the people. For many years we didn't have the tools. Now these tools are available, and this has a great potential for keeping us capable, sustainable, efficient, and this is not an option. This is a track we must follow in order to survive in this condition we have of concurrence. On the other side, some other technologies are coming. They are now available. We are doing some projects in new technologies, like for example, quantum computing. We are doing two projects. It's something which is already available. We are introducing for the new facilities we are building in Victoria plant a module of digitalization. This means that all the new installations, they were already done, but not so much. And the new greenfield that we are installing is going to be done with first day digital readiness. This is also another big topic. More technologies. Well, digital twin is something which is many parts, and all of them are going to merge in a big system in which we can be able to trace and optimize. We are also introducing technologies for efficiency, for green production, we call it, which is the objective that we have to improve the impact, to reduce as much as possible the impact of the company. For example, we use it for energy. We have advanced systems which control a lot of measurement points we have through all the plant, more than 700, and we are taking it for predict the consumption, detect anomalies, and this is also of a good impact. We use it also for analyzing vibration. So there are a lot of uses which are now already mature, and which all of them converge in this digital factory, this smart factory, which is our dream. It's really more deep, the implementation, as just isolated. So there is an orchestration, there is a roadmap, there are many technologies that are enablers for next steps, and the most important challenge we have, in my opinion, is the cultural change of empowering people with the data, making people have the opportunity to use the most value of the data and combine the human knowledge with the assistants we are building in order to be faster and more efficient, more sustainable, more competitive, with an empowered human which has a lot of data to his working place, and who can take the best decisions faster than before. These kind of events, which I want to thank the organization for organizing this meeting, are keeping the network, the knowledge and the competitivity. Spain is one of the most important car producers worldwide. Spain has to be, is going to be the decision maker for the innovation also in mobility, and e-mobility is the future. So therefore, this Congress helps us to maintain the situation of Spain as a very, very important country related with mobility. Not just to sleep and continue living from the factories we had in the past, because it has a lot of impact for our country, automation. We are, I think, the third country in Europe for automation. So therefore, this is making the collaboration between administration, research institute, universities, companies, to make a big network to make Spain the future of the e-mobility.